Last round. Walking. Exercise. Kapag last akin, 1 year na din.
That meeting.
Think well, woman.
Nung bakasyon,
Bakasyon.
diba naalala mo yung
So-
nagkaroon na accident sa Tarlac, yung mga dentist? Bakasyon yun.
Sino kasi yun? Ay, wow.
Bakasyon yun.
Wow.
So, mga...
March.
Kailan yung bakasyon natin?
March.
Oo, April.
Ay, April. Okay.
April.
Okay.
Yeah, April.
Mm. Mhm.
May June, July, August, September,
Oh.
October. After 6 months,
Wow. After 6 months.
we're back.
Amazing. And we're back. Back to back, tea back.
Diba?
Back to back, tea back.